Assalamu alaikum, dears. If you understand these 10 lessons, your life can change. What if I told you that just 10 simple lessons could completely change your future? First, stop wasting time. Time never comes back. Second, it's okay you to have a favorite friends. Just make sure you have a big goal. Third, the hard work you do today becomes your identity tomorrow. Fourth, if you learn self control between 18 and 25 age, you will stay in control for life. Fifth, spend less time on your phone and more time building skills. Sixth, real dreams are not the ones you see while sleeping. Real dreams are the ones that keep you awake. Seventh, today may feel difficult, but one day you will be proud that you did not quit. 8. Invest in yourself. Knowledge and skill are the best investment. Ninth, don't chase temporary pleasure, build a future that earns respect. And finally, if you change yourself at this age, you can change your entire life. Remember, age 18 to 25 are game changing years. Use them wisely. I can say one sentence is learn today, lead tomorrow. Save this video, subscribe, comment, share with friends, and start working on yourself today. Thank you.